guys, welcome back to another vlog. And today we are surprising my husband. So we didn't do much for his birthday because he didn't want to do anything, but the original plan was to get a party bus and go to a monk bar, get a private room and hang out with everybody. But it didn't happen because, you know, something's medical condition happened. So I am surprising him tonight with the group of friends that we hang out with. They are our married couple crew because they're all married and have kids. But he doesn't know. He does not know that this is happening. And I'm kind of low-key, kind of scared because he might yell at me about it. But I'm so excited. So, and I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm not gonna do makeup or anything. I'm just gonna look very casual because I told him that one of our friends is gonna fix my car. So we're gonna go do that. Well, that's just the lie, but we're gonna do a couple errands and then we're gonna go over there. And I gotta stall time. Stress.
Happy birthday.
Oh. And everything looks so good. Thanks, you guys. Okay, surprise him. Babe, Dad made you stuffed chicken wings.
Oh, that's I mean what?
She made stuffed chicken wing. Yes. She homemade it. Today.
When did you start playing this?
So you better say thank you to Der.
When did you start playing this?
This whole week?
Oh, really?
Yes. Like starting like last.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Degrees and sunny.
We made it to the largest candy store, Minnesota. Look. It's America's biggest puzzle store too. There's some cute. Look at all these Halloween stuff. First thing you say is Bubby Shock. Oh wow, this is so cool. What the fuck? Look at Mario. Look at Mario. Look, it's funny Nemo and Dory too. I was looking for my husband and he was at the toy section. I always laughed at you when you kept doing that.
All them chickens.
Look at all them chickens.
Yeah.
You guys, look this Toy Story. A Toy Story. Oh baby, look. It's up. Ew, little bugs you can eat. Eee. No, you can just put your hand in. Here, I do it. It just spins. But that's loud. There's so many sections of this, and the one that we're at right now is my husband's favorite Marvel character. That is Groot. Quill and Rocket. Hey, looky, look, baby, look, babe. So cute. Oh. Whoa. That one is cute. I thought these were pizza. But it's not pizza, you guys. I'll show you guys. It's so cool. It's candy pizza. This is a jelly bean one. And then this is a supreme chip one. With pretzel, popcorn, and chocolate chips.
I was gonna get bugs. No bugs.
There's bugs. First time here. It's pretty cool. Like, hi buddy, you're so cute. My first time seeing elephants. That's so cool. Oh, look at the camel. And look at the elephant eating momo. My husband and I were saying that this is like the 7 deadly sins anime that we were like watching.
Like it.
Do you? It is pretty cool, you guys. I'll show you guys. This is how the shops look like in the 7 deadly sins too. This is how it looks like. We started from the King's Gate. Such a far ass walk, man.
What?
Dave's hot chicken.
You want to see David?
I'm gonna try this. Not bad. I'm back home. But Dave's hot chicken bomb.com, and I'm gonna go shower because I need to shower. My hair is oily as heck. I need to do my skincare again. I did my skincare this morning, but I gotta do it again because I'm gonna be going to a friend home. And I will not be vlogging that because I feel like that's really inappropriate. But I am gonna go shower, and I will see you guys after the funeral home. And you guys will most likely see me clean up this horrible mess. Ugh, how exciting.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl